Hello people, welcome back. Good afternoon, good morning, good day. Today I'm back with another Hadoop tutorial for Ambari. Okay, so as you might have seen my tutorial for Ambari cluster installation wizard part 1 and part 2. So we have successfully completed Ambari cluster installation wizard, and now today in today's agenda is that we are going to explore the Ambari dashboard completely, and we are going to fix the issues that we were facing. So you can see here there are so many red colors. So in the last tutorial I actually worked on HDFS and I fixed the issues on HDFS, but still there are 12 issues, but still our HDFS is accessible, and you can see my file system is accessible. It is having 3 data node in it. Okay, so now we are go ahead and we can start the other issues, working on other issues. So you can see this is the dashboard of Ambari. So this makes it very useful because you can see the name node heap, 5% is used, HDFS disk usage, and here you have tabs for all the applications. Okay, so for example, if you click on HDFS, so you can see the name node is started and the secondary name node both are running. There are 3 data nodes, out of which 3 are running. Okay, so this is your entire configuration. So coming back to yarn, so here as you can see the resource manager is not running. So if you click on this, so let's just try to first of all try to work on resource manager. So if I click, for example, this one, so here if I click on start, so earlier we were facing this ats.done issue. So ats.done is not present, so let's just go to the server, and so this is of course HDFS ats.done files issue, so you have to log in as HDFS. Okay, so here let's just check whether that file or directory is present or not. HDFS, okay, HDFS DFS ls 80 ls minus capital R for recursive listing ATS. Okay, so it's not present, so let's just HDFS DFS minus mkdir, and then we'll create this folder. Okay, so mkdir ats dot done and ats dot active. Okay, so we are going to create these 2 folders and see what is happening. Okay, so I think I have to go give this command one by one. Probably this command won't work. So let me just check on our file system, browse file system. So if you go here, okay, so I think there is some issue with the server. Okay, so this is the problem with AWS server, so you don't need to worry about that. Just click on restart session and we are back. So we again go as HDFS and we try to access the file system, so it is not present. So we will create the folder. Okay, so okay, I'm sorry, you have to give one folder at a time. Okay, and then you have to give this, and you can create the active folder as well. Okay, so now folder system is created. We coming back here and we just here we search with see, this is the folder creation is done. Okay, so let's just try, because as per our earlier start, I got this error that we have discussed in our earlier tutorial. This ATS DFS directory ATS dot does not exist, so let me just retry to start it. Okay, so what we do is we click on resource manager and we go down and we click on start. Let's see what is happening. Okay, so resource manager is successfully started. Fine. Okay, what else we have? For example, okay, so what about Activity Explorer for SmartSense? Let's just try to start it. So Activity Explorer is started. Coming back to Activity Accumulo Tracer, let's just try to start it. So I think I tried to start Accumulo Tracer earlier as well. No. Okay, so fine. So while it is starting that, we go back, and so we have so many issues here. For example, if we go to Hive, okay, I think Accumulo Tracer is started, so Hive is not running. And coming back to dashboard, so here so our resource manager is running now. Coming back to yarn, okay, resource manager is running, node manager is running, timeline service v1. Let's just try to start it. Okay, so timeline service is started, but our Accumulo Tracer is not yet started. Okay, so going back to yarn, so as you can see, now yarn has come back to green. Okay, so we have somehow fixed the yarn issues. Okay, so if you go here, right, you will have quick links, okay, which are very useful for us. So if you click on this yarn resource manager GUI, it will take you to yarn resource manager console. Okay, so cool, right? So you can see here cluster resource usage used by others available 100%, it is available. Okay, so finished apps from all users, or everything is 0. This is totally fresh, everything is fresh. So queues, so there are default queue only, there are no queues. Okay, applications, there are no applications. Services, new service, you can, okay, so flow, activity, nodes. So you can see there are nodes. This is our machine 70.77 which is present. Okay, tools, so yarn configuration and everything is present here. So your yarn properties, yarn daemon logs, so this is your yarn configuration. So as you can see, these are the properties that we have to define manually when we were creating Apache Hadoop cluster, in a standalone mode. Okay, so, or sudo mode. Okay, so these are the property files that you can see here. Okay, coming back to our cluster, so MapReduce, let's go to MapReduce. So history server is down. Let me just try to start history server. start. Okay, so accumulator tracer was failed again. Okay, so let's just check what actually happened and why it failed. Python script has been killed due to timeout after waiting 182 seconds. Okay, so this is the error we are getting on .77 machine. We go here and we go to here. As you can see, this is the error log, output 194. Python error, okay, is blank, so there is nothing in that, and we are getting this message: Python script has been killed due to timeout. Okay, so fine. Okay, so timeline service has started, so MapReduce has come back to green, right? So now we can go to job history user interface. Cool, right? So this is a job history which we were accessing earlier. So jobs, there are no jobs, so we call back to tool configuration, and this is the XML file coming back. So this is how you can access the job history logs. Everything can be accessed from here. So this is your logs directory. So in that logs directory, so where is the logs stored in your system? So it will be stored in your home folder followed by logs. Let me just check where it is exactly present. Logs, no. Okay, so I think it will be on 99. So is it available here? No, I think it is in the root folder followed by log. Okay, so we'll check that. Fine. Coming back here, so history server issue is what is the problem here? Critical connection to this has failed for 2 hours. Okay, so this is the old alert, I believe. Okay, fine. Coming back to, so accumulo still we are facing problem. So we are, accumulo tracer is not started. Accumulo T server. So let me just check. Accumulo GC, accumulo tracer. Okay, so accumulo T server. Let's just try to start it. Okay, accumulo T server has started. Okay, so coming back to accumulo. So accumulo T server, right, again showing as not started. Coming back there, accumulo T server. Okay, so accumulo client, accumulo T server went down again. Okay, so these are the problems, guys, that we are facing here. HBase master. What about this? HBase master. This is the default, the database for application. So HBase master. Let's try to start it. Okay, so HBase master looks like it started. Okay, going back here, HBase. So HBase is fine, it's running. So HBase is like it's a database tool. So you can just, let me just check if we can access HBase. So HBase, just type help here. If you just run HBase, so you will get these many options which can be used with HBase. So HBase, run the HBase shell. So HBase shell. So here, okay, so we'll explore these properties later. So okay, so starting the HBase shell, so you can see that, right? So let me just try help. Okay, so these are the HBase shell, so from where we can access HBase shell. Fine, so this is working. Again, reason servers. So going back to reason servers, so this is how, guys, you can debug and you can access all the components of Hadoop. So reason server, so let's just try to start it. Okay, reason server started. So HBase has come back to green. Zookeeper coming back to Zookeeper. Okay, Zookeeper server has been stopped. Coming back here, Zookeeper client. Okay, so where is Zookeeper server? So this is our Zookeeper server. Started. Going back to Zookeeper client is already running. So Zookeeper has come back to green. Okay, so fine. What else is there? Ambari matrix. So Ambari matrix is dependent on matrix collector and Grafana. So matrix collector, we will try to start. So this is nothing but a tool which will help you access and analyze the health of the HDFS easily. So for example, Grafana is again another tool to monitor your system. Okay, so we are getting error here. So matrix collector. So what is the error we are getting? Ambari matrix collector start failed. There is insufficient memory. Okay, again we are getting this insufficient memory issue. Cannot allocate memory on .77. What is the problem? And that's the problem with this. So you need a lot of space here. So as you can see here, almost like your 3 minus m. So you can see out of 4 GB, 3447 is almost used. You have only 243 MB left, which is the problem here. That is the reason our what do you call, matrix collector is not starting. Okay, so fine. What about Druid? So go back to Druid middle manager, start. Okay, started. Druid historical, start. Started. Okay, what else we have for Druid? Druid historical, can go back to red. Okay, so here we have, okay, so Druid historical has gone down. Druid broker, start. Okay, Druid broker again went down. So again there is a problem with Druid. Okay, so we will check the logs of all these components, why they are getting down. These clients. Fine. What about Kafka? Kafka broker. Kafka broker, start. Okay, Kafka broker. Okay, so we have Kafka broker running, SmartSense. So activity analyzer is stopped, so we need all these three things to have SmartSense running. So as you can see, there is activity explorer. So let's just check the activity explorer. Okay, so it's asking for password, admin. So this is the password that you have given while installing the components. So Zeppelin is a web-based notebook that enables interactive data analysis. So even I am not aware about this, so we'll see that. Yarn dashboard. Okay, so from here you can probably access the dashboard channel. Okay, fine. Coming back to our solar instance is down. It is present on node 77. Okay, we'll start this. We'll click on OK. So we have yarn still in red. Resource manager is again, okay, resource manager is running. Timeline service is down. Timeline service version 2. Timeline service version 2. Start. Okay, so still pending, so depending on the second one. Fine. So let's explore other properties. So we go back to HDFS. So here you have the quick links for name node, which I have opened already, I think here, right? So this is a problem, guys. So you need to have lot of memory to have this set up. Let me see on the main server. Okay, so main server still we have space, no problem. Hive is not started. Hive server is not starting. Let me just check. Okay, so still we are pending with two things. Infrasolar is not started yet. So it is making the things very easy, alerts. System DB information schema not created. Okay, so here you can filter out like the type of severity of the message, alert definition. You can depending on, for example, you want the messages for yarn, you can sort it. Okay, like this. If you want for HDFS, you can sort it. So HDFS looks pretty good. What about Hive? So Hive we have problem, right? So connection failed. So we are getting this error message here. Okay, so coming back to our soul. So here it is again taking some time. We'll just cancel this because it's not happening. Okay, so now your next timeline service reader also failed. Okay, what is the problem here? Core exception execution failed. So it is trying to do something with curl and it is failing here, so I don't know what is happening here. Okay. Fine. Okay, so Hive is still not working. What about Hive Metastore? Let me just try to start Hive Metastore. So Hive Metastore, let me check the history. Have we tried to start it? Show more. Hive Metastore. We haven't tried, have we? Okay, meanwhile we go back and yarn. So this is the quick links are really helpful. Dashboard. As you can see, the uptime of name node, everything is present here. Yarn container. Grafana. Why is Grafana not starting? Okay, so Hive Metastore is started. Grafana. How about Grafana? Is it? So I think Grafana has some problem. Coming back to Ambari matrix. So here Grafana is running. So if you just see now, Grafana is running, right? So you can click on Grafana quick links and you will be able to access the Grafana page. Still we have matrix collector is not running. Okay. Back here, Grafana. Okay, sorry, Grafana is not yet started, right? Okay, fine. Okay, so it's still starting. So as you can see here, alerts can be seen. Accumulo, this is 22 minutes ago. Grafana web UI. So this is the problem. If anything is down, it will automatically throw you errors in every interval. Okay, so if you click on actions, you can see, right, start, stop, everything is here for particular application. For example, if we go to so again here you see the heartbeat lost. Okay, so Grafana is not running. We go back to here and you see Grafana is giving some warning. So what if we go to the log Please bear with me, guys. The dog is barking. I don't know why. Okay, connection to Grafana failed. Okay. Grafana server has started with PID 13967, but again this is the problem .77, so it's not running. Okay, so see there is some problem with the server here. This is not responding. I'll just have a look. So as you can see, all the applications on this .77 server is having some question mark, because heartbeat lost, because I think the server is reached to its memory, and you can see here nothing is happening. Probably the memory is completely consumed, and that is a problem. So I may have to restart this this server. So fine, this is all in this tutorial. I will come back with another tutorial for fixing all the issues. So as you can see, this host, this one is in trouble now, okay, because the server has not received a heartbeat more than 3 minutes. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe to my channel if you find this is useful, and peace. Thank you.